Ladies and gentlemen, announce the arrival of the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines and the Secretary of the Department of Education, Honorable Sara C. Duterte.
Your respective communities the distinct Cebuano trait of pride or garbo. Cebuanos are known for their garbo, for one's culture, language, talent, faith, and family. It is the same garbo that we should always take to heart as we pursue life with excellence, integrity, values, and enduring love of country. Sa lahat ng mga magulang ng ating mga atleta at coaches, mga guro, non-teaching personnel, technical support staff, at sa buong Department of Education. Daghang salamat kaninyong tanan. Mga kababayan, patuloy po tayong maging matatag tungo sa pagtaguyod ng isang bansang makabata at mga batang makabansa. Ang lahat ng ginagawa natin ay para sa Diyos, sa bayan, at sa pamilyang Pilipino. Syukran.